Phrasal verbs. Travel.
Ever found yourself in a foreign country, struggling to understand or communicate common travel situations? Phrasal verbs often pop up, and they can be quite the head-scratcher. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey into the world of phrasal verbs for traveling. First, let's unravel what a phrasal verb is. It's a combination of a verb and one or two particles. These particles can be prepositions or adverbs. When combined, these elements create a new meaning, different from the original verb. Take, for instance, the phrasal verb check in. Check is the verb, and in is the preposition. Together, they're commonly used when you arrive at a hotel or an airport. You check in at the reception desk or the airline counter.
Check-in has two meanings. One is to register your name and get a key when you arrive at the hotel. The other one is to get a boarding pass at the airport before going on a flight. Check out, pay the bill and leave the hotel. Example: we checked in last night and will check out tomorrow.
Now consider get on, another phrasal verb. Get is the verb, and on is the preposition. This phrasal verb is frequently used when boarding a bus, train, or airplane. Let's shift.
Get away means go on holiday. For example, I just need to get away for a few days.
Shift gears and look at set off. Set is the verb and off is the adverb. This phrasal verb is used when you start a journey. We're now cruising to pick up. Pick is the verb, and up is the preposition. This phrasal verb is used when someone comes to get you, perhaps in a car or taxi.
Pick someone up. Collect someone by car. Example: we went to the airport to pick up Mike.
Another common phrasal verb is drop off. Drop is the verb and off is the preposition. This is used when someone leaves you somewhere, often at a specific destination. And
Drop off means to drive someone where they want to go and leave them there. For example, could you drop me off at the station?
finally, let's touch down with take off. Take is the verb and off is the adverb. This phrasal verb is used when an airplane leaves the ground and starts its flight.
Take off. A plane leaves the ground and starts flying. The plane took off at 9 a.m. Look around. Walk around a place and see what is there. For example, do you want to look around the city center? Get back means to return or come back. For example, you will get back to your hotel at about 8 p.m. Okay, let's have some practice now. Imagine that you are on holiday in Japan. Your travel guide leaves you a note with details of your trip to the island of Miyajima. Use the phrasal verbs from today's lesson to complete the following sentences. We'll do the first sentence together. Trip to the island of Miyajima. Number 1. The bus will us at 9 a.m. outside the hotel. Which phrasal verb should be used in this sentence? The answer is pick up. The bus will pick us up at 9 a.m. outside the hotel. Your turn now. It will, us, at the harbor, and then we will catch the ferry. It will drop us off at the harbor, and then we will catch the ferry. We will have about 2 hours to the island and have lunch. You can enjoy shopping in the afternoon. We will have about 2 hours to look around the island. We will take the ferry at 5 p.m. and we will to the hotel before 7 p.m. We will get back to the hotel before 7 p.m. By the way, please remember to by 10 a.m. on your final day. See you tomorrow, Sasha. Please remember to check out by 10 a.m. on your final day.
To recap, today we've journeyed through the world of phrasal verbs for traveling. We've broken down what a phrasal verb is and explored the meanings of check-in, get on, set off, pick up, drop off, and take off. Remember that phrasal verbs are all about context. The combination of the verb and its particle or particles creates a unique meaning, often different from the original verb. So next time you're jet-setting around the globe, these phrasal verbs will be your trusty travel companions. Thanks for joining this linguistic journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy your travels.